So this is it. This is the transmission fluid at 75,000 miles on Mazda 6 2015. Whew, stinks. Stinky, stinky. Look at that. Oh, and what it's supposed to look like? Here, let me show you. What it shows like new is, let's see if there's any left in this empty bottle here. I'm gonna try to drape on here. Should look nice and blue. Come on. There it is. That's what it's supposed to look like. Well, new at least. Of course, everything gets used and worn and everything like that. So, that's 2015 Mazda 6 transmission fluid. Cyan blue. Automatic transmission fluid. Mazda genuine. Look at that. See? 75,000 miles, folks. I've had this car for going on the 5th year now in May. So I figured I'm going to keep it a while. Might as well treat it to some maintenance. Alright, thanks for watching.